Hey, so we've got a 2022 Toyota Yaris. It's a Yaris Cross Urban Edition in a hybrid. It's an automatic 5-door wagon in a nice blue. Got the reverse camera, parking sensors, alloy wheels. Just presents in excellent condition. It's only travelled 44,000 kilometres and certainly good value at 39,999. The front parking sensors there too. Take a look at the interior. So we've got cruise control, active city stop, lane departure warning, dual airbags, front and side, Bluetooth connect. 45,000 kilometres, my apologies. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, it's a big colour screen, climate air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, electric handbrake. Interior seat trim is a partial leather and cloth. Electric seats, as I said, side airbags, logbooks, 2 keys, full service history with Toyota, including the receipts. There's your back seat there, all pretty much looking like new. All inquiries are welcome.